Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. In this video we are going to unbox DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So let's get started. I'm going to use this knife. This is a concealed knife my mom gave me for self-defense. Okay. Okay, let's get started. Oh, looks like this is the camera. These are the attachments and lots of manuals. This is a sticker. This is quick state guide. This is, I don't know what it is. There is a warranty card. It's in Chinese. I don't know. Again, this is in, okay. Wow. Both the sides are like in Chinese and English. Is DJI a Chinese gadget? Okay. Keeping all this aside, let's first see what we got. Okay, I think this is that attachment where you can simply insert it and then put it on your tripod. A USB attachment, something. I need to first learn how to use each of these things. Then we have type C to type cable. What else? This is a keychain, something like basically a string. Okay, now let's go to the camera. You know what, let me fix the angle. Okay, I hope this is much better. Let's quickly this is so small, it's even smaller than my phone. I have iPhone 14 Pro Max and its height is something, let me see. Yeah, it's this much smaller than my phone. Let's remove it. How do I turn it on? I think long press. Turning it on for the first time. What does it say? Gimbal endpoints reached English. Selecting English. Swipe to skip 5 times remaining. Download. Scan QR code to download DJI Mimo and connect to camera unit to activate. I'll do it later. Swipe from left to enter playback. No SD card. Oh, I ordered SD card also. Let me quickly get the SD card and then we will attach it and then we'll test it. But I want to do that. You know, the girls do this. Why the camera is not revolving? Okay, I need to switch on this. It did. Did you see? Okay, I'm going to be attaching the video that I'll be shooting using this camera. But for now, tap to switch between gimbal, tilt control and zoom control. Tap to switch between gimbal, tilt control. I'm using this. Slide to control zoom or gimbal tilt. Tap to check battery level. The quality seems very good actually. And if I switch on the camera, then this will just simply rotate. And if I do this, I need to do from this side then. Oh, it's good. Oh, it got turned off. Okay, let me get the SD card. So I have already ordered this HP ka SD card. How do I retrieve it? How do I retrieve it, yaar? Should I just cut through it? Oh god, this is difficult. Finally put our way through. Retrieved successfully. Now I have to insert it where? Maybe here? I'll try to insert and then we'll see whether this get inserted or not. This is not going inside. अरे यार, अंदर चला जा प्लीज. It's not going inside. See. Oh, finally. I like pushed it way inside and then now I think let me just turn it on again. SD card speed slow, shooting may stop. What the fuck? Okay, let me first download the app DJI Mimo and then connect to the camera so that I stop seeing this warning. Okay, I'll just be right back. Okay guys, तो मैंने ऐप से कनेक्ट कर लिया है. It's time to turn it on and shoot some videos and see the camera quality.